Breaking news for you right now.
Eastbound lanes of I-10 are still closed in southern Arizona right now.
A serious crash in Avondale.
DPS are telling us that 3 people are dead because of this crash.
They closed the highway.
What the hell did I pull up and pick up?
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
Yo, what up, G? This morning, man, very first call. Had to pick up this old Ford Escape off the side of the I-10 at Avondale Boulevard. Quite a situation trying to get to that lady because there was a triple fatal collision just up the road at I-10 in Dysart. Damn. I ain't never seen that freeway backed up that bad ever in my life. In the 10 years I've been here, I've never seen it that bad. Never. So before I can even get out on location, this lady's blowing up dispatch talking about where's the truck, where's the truck, where's the driver, where's the driver? Excuse me, ma'am. Have you not seen all this traffic that my black ass is sitting in? So I call this lady and I tell her, like, look, I ain't that far away. I can literally see the sign that your ass is sitting up underneath, but it's gonna take me a minute to get there because, well, I'm stuck in all the same shit your ass is looking at. That semi down there, that's who was blocking me the whole way. He's been blocking this whole lane since I got on back there. If he would have been in the lane, I'd have been here 20 minutes ago. I was hoping that what I could do is get past some of the traffic at least until I can get onto the shoulder, run code down the shoulder and get to this lady, get her swooped up and get her to the shop. This is backed up all the way to the 17. So yeah, it's bad. Did it shut off on you or did you just pull over? What's going on?
Oh, it shut off.
It shut off on you? Okay.
But I was able to put it in neutral.
And then they just push it on over here? Okay. All right. Get it all loaded up and everything, good to go. She get in the truck and got an attitude. I don't drive a helicopter. You feel me? I can't just lift this motherfucker up into the air and fly over all the damn traffic. I picked this lady up. I've got a drop location in the system already of where this lady allegedly wants to go. So I plugged that address into the GPS thinking that's where I was gonna take her. And then she's like, oh no, that's not the address. That's not where I wanna go. I just put that address in because it's gonna take us to the general area of where I wanna be. General area? You know you wanna go to this specific shop at this specific intersection next to this specific thing. She had all these specifics on where the shop was and all these things, but you can't give me the specific address, the one thing that matters? Lord have mercy. She gave me a second address that she turned around 10 seconds later and said, oh no, that's not right, never mind. Then she gives me a third address. Well, when we pull up to the location on where that address is, she's like, oh no, wait, that's wrong again. It's actually going here. Now, I know at this point, man, if y'all still watching this video, I'm sure that some of y'all be frustrated as hell, be ready to leave this lady out on the side of the road. I'm telling you, why don't people know where they going? They don't know where they at. They don't know where they going. Why'd you leave the house? Answer me that in the comments. Why'd you leave the house if you don't know where you're going? We're going to continue this shift. We're on our way to the next call right now. We'll see what we're going to run into. We'll see what we're going to get.